Hi everybody, it's Dan and welcome back to my kitchen. Today we're going to be making a homemade cherry compote. If you're looking for a simple dessert, it doesn't get any easier than a fruit compote, especially over vanilla ice cream. This compote is going to be fresh, saucy, and sweet, and ready in as little as 10 minutes. Trust me, it's going to go perfect and divine with anything that can use a little fruity flavor. I'll be sure to throw a link to the recipe down below in the description, and stay tuned at the end of the video for more information about the KitchenAid stand mixer giveaway. Now let's grab a medium-sized saucepan, head to the stove, and get started on this so good, sweet and tangy, delicious cherry compote. Add 2 tablespoons cornstarch and a half cup white sugar right into your medium saucepan, and then give those a quick little whisk to really break up any lumps or clumps that your cornstarch might have. Then follow that up with a half cup of water, about 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, and 2.5 cups of fresh or frozen cherries. Once you have all those ingredients in your medium saucepan, you just want to cook over a medium heat, stirring frequently until it really thicks up. I usually like to cook mine for about 10 minutes. Now if you are using frozen fruits, you may want to extend that cooking time for maybe an extra minute or two, no more than 5 minutes though, because all that frozen fruit is going to release a lot of water into your compote. Once you have that slightly thickened mixture, go ahead, turn off the stove, and set your compote aside. The compote will continue to thicken as it cools. When it's no longer piping hot, I like to add this to a mixing bowl and toss in about an extra cup of cherries to really thicken up this compote and pack this compote with that delicious cherry flavor. And if you want to make this ahead of time for yourself, you can grab some empty mason jars, throw in your compote, let it hang out in the fridge. It'll keep for about a week, but when you need that nice, delicious, fruity flavor, you're all set to go with your delicious compote. It can go great on cheesecakes, ice cream like vanilla ice cream, chocolate ice cream, Rocky Road ice cream, French toast, waffles, pancakes, cheesecakes, cakes, anything. Anything you want fruity flavor, you will be all set with your compote. Well, thank you all for stopping by. I had so much fun showing you how to make this quick, easy, delicious compote recipe. If you're a fan of these quick little recipe videos, definitely give a like down below. It really helps me out. Lets me know what baking recipes you all like, you enjoy, and you want to see more of. And if you want even more delicious quick recipes or just some delicious desserts that you can bake with confidence every single time, definitely be sure to subscribe down below and turn on the bell to receive notifications every time I post a new video. Plus, I still have 19 KitchenAid stand mixers to give away. So if you haven't already, be sure to enter down below. Once you enter the giveaway, you'll have 19 chances to win and lots of ways to enter. Alrighty, well that's gonna do it for today. I'm gonna grab a cup of coffee, maybe make some waffles for this delicious compote. I'm gonna enjoy the day, enjoy the weather. I hope you all get to do the same. And as always, I'll see you all in the next video very, very soon. Bye.